Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Um, so yeah, it's the end of basically end of day 2. So yeah, I didn't record much at all in this day. It's 9:39 p.m. Just about getting ready for bed, and oh my goodness, the midges are crazy. The amount of midges there are, like these tiny insects that just go towards your eyes. It's so annoying. Yeah, we had pastas and pestos tonight, and there was also another gold group on the campsite as well, which was cool to see. And yeah, it's Hassal's birthday today, which was another special surprise. I'm gonna pack away and get ready for bed with my wet toes. It rained for like 5 hours today. It was so sad. Everything is wet. My whole bag and items. My phone survived. Anyway, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Hopefully, I can be awake by 5 or 6, but we'll see. I probably won't do another cooking video, but who knows? Who knows? Ooh, we could do. Wait, oh yeah, we need a bowl to boil water. Um, I'll have to sort that out tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll see ya. That is Friday the 7th of June done. This is what the tent looks like, by the way. I'm gonna be sleeping here. I need to adjust some things. And then we have Johannes, who's already sleeping. Supposedly should be quiet, but yeah. Yeah, 9:41.